If you're buying your first home, a mortgage credit certificate, or MCC from IHDA Mortgage could save you thousands of dollars by reducing the amount of federal income tax that you owe. An MCC is not the same as an income tax deduction. Instead, an MCC is a dollar-for-dollar tax credit that gets subtracted from the amount of federal income tax that you owe. So what does this mean? If you pay $8,000 in mortgage interest in a year, an MCC would allow you to take 25% or $2,000 off the amount of federal income tax that you owe. And the remaining 75% or $6,000 can still be taken as a tax deduction. Let's take a look at an example. Let's say that you're buying your first home. If your gross income is $50,000, you will pay $8,000 in mortgage interest. Without an MCC, you would simply deduct that $8,000, leaving $42,000 in taxable income. In this case, you'd owe $6,300 in federal taxes. Now let's see what the difference would be with an MCC from IHDA Mortgage. Your gross income is still $50,000, and you'd still pay $8,000 in mortgage interest. However, rather than taking the $8,000 as a deduction, you only deduct 75% of it, or $6,000. That puts your taxable income at $44,000 and your federal income tax at $6,600. And now you apply the MCC credit. This takes the remaining 25% mortgage interest that you didn't deduct, $2,000 in this case, and subtracts it from the taxes you owe. This lowers the total you owe to $4,600. So with an MCC, you would save $1,700. And the savings are not limited to just 1 year. The MCC is effective for the life of the mortgage as long as you live in your home. Could you benefit? Of course an MCC won't benefit everyone. There are some requirements. You must be a first-time homebuyer or exempt in Illinois. You must be within IHDA mortgage income and purchase price limits. And the qualified dwelling must be your primary residence on 5 acres of land or less. You can't reduce your federal income tax if you don't owe any federal income taxes in the first place. You should also be aware that if you're selling your home within the first 9 years, you may be subject to the federal recapture tax. IHDA Mortgage does not and cannot give tax advice. Talk to your tax advisor to determine if an MCC can benefit you. For more information, visit IHDAMortgage.org or contact your preferred lender.